Hello, I'm Kierin Ryan, owner of Sydney Home Mortgage. If you're watching this video now, it's quite likely that you're doing some research to work out who should help you organise your mortgage. Now, you can't submit your own mortgage, so ultimately you need to make a decision on who you trust to help you with this process. Now, spending 30 minutes on Google, I can assure you, is not going to make you an expert and is not going to help you select the right mortgage for yourself and your family. There's brokers who have been in the industry for 25 years, and every week they're still learning new things that will help them better place clients with the right mortgage. Now, you may be tempted to speak to family or friends to get advice. Look, to be honest, I strongly recommend against this. Just because a person has a mortgage, it does not make them an expert. What may have been the perfect mortgage for them could be completely the wrong mortgage for you. Certainly if you have a mortgage, you know a few things about it, but I own a car, but that doesn't mean I know how to build a car. I don't know how to repair a car. I just know how to drive the car. So same goes with mortgages. You need to speak to someone that is an expert if you want to get expert information. Now, if you make a mistake in selecting a mortgage, you get the wrong structure, the wrong loan products, even a very small mistake, when you take that out for the length of the mortgage over 30 years, that small mistake can very easily result in a $50,000, $60,000 loss. Only recently, I just helped a client that had 2 loans, wrong structures, wrong loan products. That client was on track to lose over $200,000. And the scary thing was they didn't even realize it. They sort of had a suspicion maybe it wasn't the best deal. They were on track, $200,000 loss. So it's very important to get the right advice and to start off with the right structures and the right loan products. Now, essentially, you have 3 choices as to how you're going to go about this. You could walk straight into a bank and you can accept whatever their best offer is that's currently available. Secondly, you can jump online and whoever's paid the most in advertising to be on Google's first page, you can click on that ad, or whichever ad seems to be advertising the lowest rate, click on that, and some random person in an hour or so will give you a call and they'll try and sign you up to a mortgage on the spot. So you know nothing about that person's qualifications, their experience, track record, nothing. So if you've got a very high appetite for risk, do the Google strategy. The third option, and the one which obviously I think is the best option, is you use a qualified and experienced mortgage broker to help you get the right loan. Now, the latest stats in Australia show that 60% of all people now choose to use a mortgage broker to help them get the right loan. Now, 40% of people still go to a bank. I don't get it. With all the evidence that's available, some people still choose to do it. Hopefully after this video, you'll decide it might be a better idea to use a broker. Hopefully you will. Now, I'm not here to just bash banks. There's actually some very caring, very intelligent, very knowledgeable people working in the banks. And if you get one of those people, I'm sure they'll do the best job that they can within the limitations of the products that their bank has. However, there are also people at the banks that I wouldn't trust with my lunch money. Now, that said, there are also some shocking brokers as well. I met a broker only recently at an auction. He came up to me and he said, "Gee, things are tough at the moment." And I'm like, what are you talking about? And he said that 6 out of the last 7 loan applications that he'd put in had been declined. I couldn't believe it. I haven't had a single loan decline all year. And this chap, 6 out of the last 7 were declined. So yes, there's some bad people working in banks. There's some shocking brokers as well. So you must make sure that you know something about the broker. Do some research. Don't just pick one from Google that you know nothing about. Do some research. That's all I can tell you. Please make sure you're getting a good broker. So here is the problem. If you go into the wrong bank, you see the wrong broker, you click on the wrong ad, you will end up with the wrong mortgage, and that's going to cost you a lot of money. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I am the best broker in the world, that Kierin Ryan will get you the lowest possible rate, and that I've got the best experience, etc., etc. You need to do your own research. But what I will do is I'll read you some of the recent testimonials of what my clients have actually said about the service and how much I cared about them. Now, if you want to read a whole stack of the reviews that I have, please just Google Kierin Ryan Sydney Home Mortgage Reviews, and you can read all the Google reviews that are there. But here's just a couple of them. So, Catherine from Kings Park. His professionalism and nature to go and above and beyond is more than I ever expected. Very knowledgeable and easy to work alongside. He never failed to deliver. I will definitely be using him again. Michael from Thornley. Kierin made the whole mortgage process so easy, especially for someone who has never been through this process before. He was always there to help. Would definitely be recommending you to anyone I come across who is in the market for a mortgage. You are a true professional. Sam from Glenwood. Kierin is very professional. He took the time to understand our needs and where we want to be financially. I highly recommend Kierin. Connie from Kellyville. Kierin went over and above with many roadblocks and obstacles in the way he got me to the finish line. Thank you for your efforts, professionalism, and honesty. So that's just a few of the many reviews I have. I'm currently running at a 5-star, 100% 5-star Google rating. Now, if you feel that I care about my clients, that I will do everything I can to get you into the right mortgage and to keep you in the right mortgage for the 10, 20 or 30 years that you require a mortgage, then please get in contact with me. Let's start a conversation to see if I'm the right broker to help you. You can either call me or text me. My number is 0437 437 337. You can send me an email, Kierin@sydneyhm.com.au. I'll spell that. I've got unusual spelling of Kierin, so it's Kierin @sydneyhm.com.au, or visit my website, sydneyhomemortgage.com.au, and just follow the prompts on the website. There's also a stack of resources available on the website for you. Look, all I can say is thank you for watching the video. Let's start a conversation. Let's see if I'm the right broker that can help you get the loan. Talk soon. Bye-bye.